travel lovers, and welcome back to A Wanderlust for Life here on YouTube. And today we're doing something a little different. I'm doing a bag review, so let's get into it. All right, you might be wondering, why are you doing a bag review? Well, mainly because this is a bag like you've never seen before, and I want to show it to you. So this is the Travel Hack Cabin Case. Now, it has been upgraded into a pro version, but this is the original, and I'm going to point out what the differences are because they aren't a lot, but they are definitely worth mentioning. So first of all, you might notice it's pretty stylish, right? We have this quilted feature right here in faux leather, so don't worry. And it's just pretty, you know what I mean? So, aside from that, let's get into the features. We have a large main area. Check that out, guys. Like, it's super deep. We have the straps in here so you can cinch everything down and fit even more inside. Over here we have a zippered pocket in case you want to keep anything really separate. The lining I really like so you can find anything pretty easily. It's not black. And then here on the side you have these different pockets for whatever you want, underwear, hose, whatever. In this pocket I like to keep paperwork that I might need for later in the trip, just to keep it in one place and keep it pretty flat. So I really like this. It's just really deep. You can fit a lot more into this than you think. The main exciting thing is the top part. So this is what makes it so special. If you're flying on EasyJet, you can only bring one bag typically. And that bag can go right here. This whole thing is padded, it's pretty, it's pink, that you can, again, find everything inside of, and you can put a large purse in here. Or if you're like me and you carry a small purse, you can fit your toiletries up here too. So, toiletry bag, small purse. Told you it was small. And you still have plenty of room for your Kindle, your headphones, your snacks, whatever, super easy. And up here you have some little pockets. On the bottom you have a zippered pocket. You can put your passport in there to feel a little secure. And we have little key rings to keep your keys on. There's actually 2 of them for that. So the biggest change for the Pro is that the floor for that can actually collapse down, so that comes into the big area and you can use the entire space for packing. So it's completely versatile. On the back, we have the laptop sleeve. Check it out, it's right on the back. It's pretty well padded, and it's supposed to be able to hold a MacBook Pro 15 inches. I don't do a Mac, sorry guys, but here's my 15-inch HP. Just slides right in there. I do recommend leaving it in the sleeve for a little extra protection because you never know. Luggage is luggage, you just never know what's gonna happen to it. And you might be wondering, like, where the heck is the handle? Right here. I just love these gold accents. So you just pull up, and here's your handle. It's super light and hidden, as you can see. My only thing is that I don't like is the type of handle. You have to grip it like this. It's just not my favorite thing in the world. But if that's what you have to have a bag like this, I think it's an easy trade. Put it back in there, zip it up, and then you have a handle. Oops. Oh, things. So then you have a handle right here so that you can grab it to put on the top. And if you need a quick little lesson about how to put luggage up on the rack, wheels first, guys, up and up. And then you grab the handle and bring it back down. It's so easy. The wheels remind me of rollerblade wheels. This is the main criticism I have about the bag, is it does feel a little bit louder on sidewalks than some other bags, but that could just be my perception. But again, it's not really a big deal. You know, the functionality of the bag is all here. One of the other things that she upgraded is she added on the side a water bottle holder. And if you watched her previous videos, you know that I always recommend you carry a water bottle. So I think that is amazing. Overall, this bag is pretty cool. I think it's super usable. And with the Pro version, don't forget, you get the collapsible inside so you can use the entire space. You get the water bottle holder on the side, and she's upgraded the zippers, even though I've never had a problem with these zippers. So I appreciate the foresight on that. So you have your laptop bag, your laptop slot in the back, you have your purse slot up top, and you have your huge section down here. And you'll look stylish going down the street. I just love it when people compliment my bag when I'm using it. I hope you like this review. If you like things like this and you want to see more of the things that we use on a full review, let us know in the comments below. I'll also share with you my favorite travel items. I'll leave that in a link above, and I'll leave a link if you want to purchase this bag. It's on Cabin Max, and I will leave a link below as well. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.